Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Forgive me for the background noise today. We're at a trucking yard. It's a little bit loud. If you notice this red Camaro behind me, it should look familiar to you. This is actually the one that we fixed in the last video we uploaded. And we are here again 2 weeks later to fix another dent on it. It's just a small dent, so we're not actually going to show the repair on this today. If you'll remember the last video, we teased a repair that we did on a blue Camaro. Really nasty dent on a body line. So we're going to go ahead and show that repair today. Hope you enjoy the video. I appreciate you taking the time to check us out. For this repair, we were actually on site at a high school automotive shop class. They had a nice lift that they were generous enough to allow us to use for this repair, which made it a lot easier to access this dent. Seeing how it was in the very bottom of the door, we didn't have to lay on the ground or anything like that to do the repair. You can see there's about 6 inches combined crease through the door across that body line, and we actually accessed it through some factory holes on the bottom of the door. We were able to go through the bottom of the door, through those factory openings, and get our tools on the back side of the metal. And with a combination of glue pulling and shaping the dent out from the inside, while also using a heat gun during the repair, because this was back when we were having temperatures down into the 20s and even down into the teens, we were able to shape this dent back out to its pre-damaged condition. The only evidence there was ever any damage to the door were just a couple little minor chips on the paint that the customer had some touch-up paint for, and this was a great alternative to having to repaint the entire door for just some minor damage like this. This was actually a repeat customer of ours. They were pretty concerned with this dent, being that it was deep and on a body line. They weren't exactly sure it was repairable with PDR, but after seeing these results, they were extremely pleased and happy with the repair, and we were happy we were able to take care of it for them as well. So if you have any minor dents or dings on your vehicle, or even if you happen to have any larger damage, if you'd like to reach out to us to schedule a repair or an estimate, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. You can shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com, and we'll post a link for that in the description below. Alright guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.